In this video I will tell you how to make a video like how to go from this to this in very simple way. So for this we need application called Inshot. So I will add application link in my video description. So after that you need to click on video section and click on new. So now I will go to photo section. So here I will select a photo for before and after. So as per the music I will try to select a before part between 5 to 5.5 seconds. Okay, so first of all I will pick for the old one, 1 2 this and this. Okay, so this will be this 5 pictures will be for before and the next one will be for after. This. Okay, now I will click on tick here. So here the video duration will be long, it's 49 seconds, but we need to wrap this of approx 10 seconds. So I will adjust here, make it smaller. So you can adjust in this way. So try to keep it approx 5.5 seconds. So here you can see it is 4 seconds. Okay, so now it is 5.4 second. So you can adjust. I'm just showing you the sample how you can fit this. Okay, so now remaining I will adjust here. So try to keep first part for approx 5.5 seconds. So I will play here. You can see the first part is for approx here 5.6 seconds. So now I will add a text here like from this, how to go from this. You can select the color as per your choice. Here you can see there are lots of, you can change it, click on tick, and you can keep it till where you want to keep. And the next part here you can select, write a text to this. So I will change the color as this. I will keep it here and I will scroll, click on save. So now our video is ready. Okay, so now we need to save this video in phone gallery. Click on save. So once this video is saved, we can post this video in our Instagram reel. So now how to get that audio? So to get this audio I have already posted in one of my account. I will show you. Here you can see so this is my account. You can go here and you can find a latest reel here. You can see, and
how did I go?
And you can use this audio here and you can use this audio here and you can post this video. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.